Hello. So, it's been a while, first of all. Second of all, I'm looking at myself in the mirror and then I'm looking over here and I don't like how grainy I look. Is this what I really look like? It's fine. So, I'm hopping back on here with my little one-eyed sidekick, my little Lily Lou. So if any of you are still around, you're probably not, but I know there's one of you because you're the one that has sparked this idea in me, so thank you. I used to make makeup videos for the most part. I think I had some vlogs, but whatever. This was in like 2017, okay? A long time ago. And now, fast forward to 2022, my makeup is not grand as you would see in those videos, although some of them, I'm just going to point out, no, I don't like them. But now I am about to graduate college. Life is a lot different. I've learned a lot in my business degree, and I feel like along with this person, whoever you are, thank you. I did not take the time to look up your name and I should have. But somebody said they missed seeing my videos and I just find that incredibly weird because I didn't really post any and I don't know. But whoever you were, thank you. Thank you. Here I am again momentarily. So I basically wanted to make this short video about what, if any of you are here, and if anyone is now, I guess, new, that, what would you like to see? I have several ideas. I've kind of been thinking about it. I think it'd be cool to honestly have a podcast, but since I have a little tiny subscriber follow on YouTube, I figure, we can start there. Excuse my hair. We're getting it done in a couple days, but we got the split ends. They're not looking very good. There's a lot of different topics I'm interested in. I would love to do like Q&A or just like doing advice because I feel like I've experienced a lot of different things in my life that I could possibly speak to somebody and help them hopefully in some way. Yeah, I could just talk about random topics. I'm probably just going to do this as a hobby, as whatever I want to do, but I also know that to be successful, you gotta cater to your audience, so that's why I'm here making this little video and asking you guys, if any of you are here, what you would like to see. Some of the topics, obviously just whatever's going on in the world. Like I said, helping people out. I could talk about finance as I'm about to be going into finance as my full-time job when I graduate. Specifically, investing related questions. Then we have, oh gosh, I don't know. I have 3 dogs. If you guys want to see vlogs and, random videos, I'm about to go through the process of buying a house at a very young age, so that's exciting, also stressful. If you guys would want to follow me along my journey with that. If you guys want like organizational videos, or just like kind of organizing your life physically or mentally, I would love to do videos like that. Or this is a whole lot of me rambling, so I do not have any of my old equipment that I used to have, but honestly it's probably outdated anyways, so I figure my 13 Pro is probably the best I got for camera quality, and my little makeup lights that I have on right now. But I kind of want to know. I would love to do vlogging. Another topic I forgot, I also do delivery driving apps right now. If any of you would be interested to hear my journey with that, I love it actually where I'm at. So I'm talking about like DoorDash, Instacart, Uber Eats, Grubhub, all of those. I think I could share a lot of wisdom within that because I feel like I've had it mastered these past couple years. So, um, anyways, I will leave it at that. Um, I'm gonna give it a couple days to hopefully get some feedback. And yeah, that's all I'm gonna leave you with. If I don't get any feedback, I may or may not start. This could just be a little um, phase that I've jumped into impulsively because I like to do that with things in my life. Good and bad pros and cons come with that, but it's fine. So if I don't get any feedback, I'm probably just gonna do whatever I want, or I won't do anything at all. Anyways, I hope you guys are doing good. Always feel free to like, subscribe, but most importantly, comment with your ideas for me. I think theoretically, I would like to do maybe a Q&A first, just so you guys can get to know me, and then if this goes far and I build my subscriber base, I would love to start doing like answering questions for you guys with any problems that you may have or face. Yeah, that's all I have for you. So I will see you next time. Bye.